and take note the progress made between the government and the Lungu family concerning the planned repatriation of the late president's remains, initially scheduled for Wednesday, 18th June at 14 hours. However, we also have noted the subsequent changes communicated by the Lungu family. It is regrettable that the funeral of a former head of state remains in limbo. This state of uncertainty is affecting the general functioning of the nation, which remains in mourning. We therefore urge both the government and the Lungu family to find common ground in the spirit of mutual respect and national unity and harmony. We would like the Lungu family to understand that the grief they are experiencing is shared by the entire nation. Dr. Lungu saved Zambia, and the nation deserves the opportunity to mourn him with dignity and indignity. This moment should not be perceived as a conflict between the Lungu family and certain individuals or stakeholders, but rather this is a national loss that calls for collective mourning and respect. In the African culture, and indeed even our own Zambian culture, disputes and challenges are often addressed after the burial, not during the mourning period, which should be marked by respect for the deceased, unity and harmony. We therefore call for the timely and amicable resolution of this matter in a respectful and considerate manner. Furthermore, we note with concern the emergence of insensitive commentary and mockery surrounding the ongoing developments. While the public has the right to express opinions, we caution and advise against turning this solemn occasion into a subject of jokes or ridicule. Scripture reminds us that there is a time for everything, and that is expressed in Ecclesiastes chapter 4. And clearly, this season is a season for mourning, not for firing salvos at each other or making fun of each other. This is a time for mourning according to the Bible, as we pick from that wisdom. As the church, the question continues to be asked, where is the church? The church is very much present, and we want to assure the nation that we are actively, both publicly and behind the scenes, involved in mediating and trying to foster a dialogue. Of course, not every clergy person will be at the front line. There are people that are respected and people that are able to reach to both parties that are mandated and are able to lead the way. And so be assured that that is going on. So besides prayer, actively mediation and facilitation of dialogue is going on. The Lungu family needs healing. The government needs healing. Zambia as a nation needs healing. We all need healing. May God grant us peace and help us remain anchored in our national values of unity, love, and harmony. I thank you.